Commissioning. Check before commissioning. 1. To check if the appearance of air conditioning equipment is intact or not. 2. To check if there is any debris on the inside of the air conditioning equipment. 3. To check if the panel or air duct of indoor unit has been well connected. 4. To check if there's any obstruction around the outdoor unit and if the ventilation condition is good. 5. To check if the louver matched the design requirement when there's a grill for the outdoor unit. 6. To check if the dip setting of the indoor and outdoor unit is correct. 7. To check if the calculation of additional refrigerant is correct and filled in accordance with the standard. 8. To check if the amount number of additional refrigerant has been recorded on the chart of outdoor unit cover. 9. To check if the stop valve of gas pipe and liquid pipe had been completely opened. 10. To check if power cord terminal block and communication wire terminal block had been correctly connected. 11. To check if it is perfectly ground connected and the insulation resistance against ground of firing and null line are larger than 1 megaohm. 12. To check if the power supply meets the requirement and the phase sequence is correct or not. Do not use temporary power supply to do the commissioning. 13. To check if the outdoor unit is fully preheated before starting up. Dip switch setting. When applying HyNet 2 system, outdoor unit number DSW6, outdoor unit refrigerant system number DSW1 and DSW8, indoor unit refrigerant number DSW5 and RSW2, indoor unit address number DSW6 and RSW1, and outdoor unit end resistance DSW10 must be set. Outdoor unit number DSW6 setting. When it is only one single model outdoor unit, maintain the factory setting. When it is only one single model outdoor unit, then main and submachine number are required. Set the main machine as A. Toggle both 1 and 2 key to on of DSW6. And submachine 1 as B. Toggle 3 key to on of DSW6. Submachine 2 as C. Toggle 4 key to on of DSW6. Refrigerant system number setting. HyNet 2. 64 refrigerant systems can be set. The outdoor unit and indoor unit number must be the same when in one refrigerant system. Otherwise, it will trigger the alarm. Outdoor unit number is set by DSW1 and DSW8. DSW1 set the tens digit. DSW8 set the unit digit. The setting of DSW8 adopts binary arithmetic. Example: if the refrigerant system number is 14, put the 1 key to on of DSW1. Put the 3 key to on of DSW8. Indoor unit number is set by DSW5 and RSW2. DSW5 set the tens digit. RSW2 set the unit digit. Indoor unit address number setting. HyNet 2, 64. Indoor unit number can be set. Indoor unit address number is set by DSW6 and RSW1. DSW6 set the tens digit, and RSW1 set the unit digit. Use the same way when setting the refrigerant system number. Terminal resistance of outdoor unit DSW10. Before shipment, one key of DSW10 is on. No need to set the DSW10 when there is only one refrigerant system. When apply HyNet, start with the second system, set one key to off of DSW10 of main machine A. No need to set the sub-machine. Notice: 1. In one refrigerant system, all the indoor unit address number must be different. In HyNet system, the refrigerant system number must be different. 2. Make sure all the dip and rotary switches are properly set. 3. Turn off all power supply before setting. Commissioning. Commissioning can be conducted by dip switch of outdoor unit, wired controller, wireless controller. When commissioning by outdoor unit, set one key to on of DSW4 of outdoor unit PCB under cooling mode. Set 1 and 2 key to on of DSW4 under heating mode. After 2 hours running, all machines will stop automatically. After the commissioning, shut down DSW4 switch. When commissioning by outdoor unit, the indoor unit will auto-run, and there is no need to set the wired remote controller. When commissioned by wire control, press return and menu button simultaneously for more than 3 seconds. Then LCD will show function selection interface. Select test run. Then press Sure button to get into test run mode. Then choose cooling or heating mode by pressing left and right adjust button. And set the fan speed as high. As the above operation, set the time of test run, set 2 hours. Press Run Stop to start the machine. Set all the indoor units in one system to the same commissioning mode one by one. After 2 hours running, all of the machines will auto-stop. And press Run Stop if the stop is required during the commissioning. When commissioning by wired controller, press time and set simultaneously for more than 3 seconds. After the remote control shows Stop in 2.0. At the bottom, press Mode key to choose cooling or heating mode. Set the fan speed as high. Press Run Stop to start the machine. When the indoor units receive the signal, the yellow indicator of the receiver will light for a while. After starting the commissioning, the red running indicator and green timing indicator will flash. After 2 hours running, all machines will auto-stop and press Run Stop if the stop is required during the commissioning. The collection and analysis of the data. The data should not be collected until the operation becomes smoothly after running for more than 30 minutes. The data can be collected from the dip switch of the outdoor unit or the wired control of the indoor unit. Data collection from the dip switch of the outdoor unit. The dip switch of the outdoor unit is as follows. Start the checking. Pressing the PSW1 button for 3 seconds. When the 7-segment display displays check, it means the checking mode starts. Under the check mode, press PSW1 one time. The PR2 displays. It means logging into the items of the checking. To check the parameter of each item, press PSW3 to log in. Press PSW5 to log out. Log out the checking mode. When it displays the items of the checking, press PSW1 to quit to check. Then press PSW1 for 3 seconds to log out. The instruction for the items of the checking. For the specific parameter of the checking, please refer to the related part of the technical catalog. Collecting the data by wired remote control. Under Test Run mode, press Menu and Sure button simultaneously for more than 3 seconds. Then the LCD will display Check Mode menu. Select Checking Mode 1. Log into the Checking Mode 1 by pressing Sure button. Then check the parameter record one by one by pressing the Up and Down button. Press Return button back to the Check Mode menu. Select Check Mode 2 by pressing the left and right button. Get into the Check Mode 2 by pressing Sure button, pressing the Return to log out the checking mode. We can also collect the data by connecting the service checker on a computer. Analyze the collected data according to the commissioning standard and technical manual to judge the system on a normal operation or not. The main judging standard for data referring to the following chart. Protection code and troubleshooting code. Protection code. When the protection control function of the system is started, the protection code will be displayed on the 7-segment digital display. Troubleshooting code. When there is abnormality of the equipment, the shooting protection code will be shown on the 7-segment digital display, wired remote controller, wireless receiver. The 7-segment display on the outdoor unit shooting error code. The wired remote controller shooting error code. The wireless receiver shooting error code. The flashing times of indication light shooting error code. Defrost light, tens digit, filter light, single digit.